Is your aging network infrastructure holding back your organization's ability to deliver superior customer experiences? Does provisioning network services seem like a complex time-consuming? Does the lack of adequate security tools expose your company to high information and financial risk? IrisLogic Managed Network Services provides a three-pronged solution for end-to-end network transformations. 1. Upgrade legacy data networks to enable faster network provisioning and network mobility with programmatic management using SDN. 2. Integrate existing network landscape with next-generation platforms using the cloud, high-speed wireless-based networks while ensuring minimum system downtime. 3. Deploy security enhancement features like intrusion prevention systems, URL filtering, application visibility and control, and advanced malware protection across technology platforms including Cisco, Juniper, and Checkpoint. IrisLogic approach focuses on 4 key aspects. Technology, ensuring maximum virtualization, enhanced security, and agility. Cost optimization, using cost-effective technologies that do not require high capital expenditure at the outset. Industry best practices, focusing on process simplification, better workforce management, efficient monitoring and reporting, and effective customer segmentation and enterprise treatment strategies. Resource utilization, maximizing span of control across L1, L2, and L3 service tiers, and enabling resource pooling and cross-skill training programs. Why should you IrisLogic Managed Network Services? Enhanced application availability and reliability for exceptional customer experience. Reduced capital expenditure by installing pay-as-you-go grow technology platforms. Minimized manual effort through central management and programmatic provisioning, reducing IT personnel cost. Decrease maintenance expenses by reducing the number of physical switches, routers, and servers with network virtualization. Enhanced network security with IPS, IDS, URL filtering, AMP, and AVC features. Ensure superior business continuity by enabling a smooth migration to the target network without disrupting ongoing business operations. Contact IrisLogic right away to leverage our technical expertise and proven delivery capabilities. To know more about our network security and support services, desktop support services, 24/7 and unified communication/collaboration services, remember to visit www.irislogic.com.